How to update your Shopify theme. That's how are we going to talk right now. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or write any thoughts that you have in your mind. And if you would like to have your first 3 months in Shopify for just only $1, you can actually click the link down in the description and bring you over to this page right here. And it says that start for free, then enjoy $1 per month for first 3 months. So yeah, if you would like to avail this, just simply click the link under the description. So going back to the topic. So now how to update your theme. You can just basically go to your home page, as you can see in my screen. Just simply click online store and choose themes. Here you will see all my themes, which is the current theme that I use for my demo is this, the Sense, and I have here in my library is the Dawn. So basically, if the theme have an update, you will see here a blue dot. So now I have my theme is up to date, which is a good thing. This theme is up to date since 10.0 is the latest version. So it says that it is the latest version. So if ever the theme has an update, you will see like this in your screen has a blue dot and it says that Dawn version something like 10 point or 11.0 is available. And you will see a blue dot there that your theme's content, settings, sections, and template will automatically be included. So you just simply add to the theme library and will be automatically updated your theme. So that's it. I think if you have other themes that need to update, just simply do or just simply check if your theme needs an update. So I think that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and like this video.